Do you know how to solve math algebra? You're welcome to this math channel. So allow us to start solving this. X into bracket, x minus 5, close the bracket, is equals to 36. So we are going to start with the solution. So under the solution, we shall now write the math problem here. We have x into bracket, x minus 5, close the bracket, is equals to 36. So what you're going to do at first of all, we're going to open the bracket. So we say that x multiplied by x, so this one is equals to x squared. Then x multiplied by minus 5, we shall have minus 5x, which is equals to 36, which is equals to 36. So the next thing that you're going to do, we are going to, this 36 is going to cross the equal sign, so it shall come to this other side. So you shall say now x squared minus 5x. So when 36 crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus 36 is equals to 0, is equals to 0. So what is now left here, we are going to find the sum of, so sum of minus 5x, and you're going to find the product of, so this one is the product, so we're going to find the product of minus 36. So the sum of minus 5x, which two numbers when added together, it brings minus 5x, and the two numbers is minus 9, the two numbers is minus 9, and which other number again, and 4, minus 9 and 4. When we minus 9 from 4, we shall get, like minus 9 plus 4, we shall get minus 5. And when we take the product of minus 9 multiplied by 4, the answer that shall get shall be minus 36. Same way, when we add these two numbers together, we're going to get minus 5. So meaning that we are going to work out minus 9 and 4. So we are going to say, and now we have x squared. So where there was minus 5x, we do it with minus 9 and 4. So x squared minus this one, minus 9x plus, remember this one was addition, plus 4x, like that, plus 4x minus 36 is equals to 0, is equals to 0. So what is left for us here is to form an equation of this, of x squared minus 9x, and for the 4x minus 36. So we're going to say that this x squared, we can put it as x into bracket x again, then this minus 9x, we put it as minus 9, then we close the bracket, simply because x multiplied by x is x squared, then x multiplied by minus 9x bring us minus 9. Okay, then the addition sign, we shall still bring it here, plus, then now we shall have 4x minus 36. So the number inside the bracket must be the same as x minus 9. So here we shall have the number inside the bracket should be the same, x minus 9. Then you close the bracket. Remember, we're working out this. So there we shall have 4. So now we shall have this 4 here, like that, simply because 4 multiplied by 4 times x is 4x, then 4 multiplied by minus 9 is minus 36, is equals to 0. So now we can say that The common number here, we have x plus 4. So x plus 4, this one is x plus 4 is equals to 0, or we can say x minus 9 is equals to 0. So when you work out this part here, so you can say that x is equals to, when 4 crosses the equal sign, you say that x is equals to minus 4, or x is equals to, let's work out for this, x is equals to, when minus 9 crosses the equal sign, it comes plus 9. So the answer is equals to minus 4 or 9. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.